Hello, hello. Just want to make a quick video because I have travailed, I have suffered for the cause of Christ to try to figure out how to program a key change in WavesTune real time using the Chord NanoKey2. So if you're using Logic as your host to mix your broadcast, and maybe you bought Luke's template and WavesTune was just a little rich for your blood and you opted for WavesTune like me, you may have seen a video from Michael in this group. Amazing video, really well done video, talking to you about programming the NanoKey2 to control auto-tune, Antares, but obviously I encountered some problems trying to make that work for WavesTune real time. So here's how you do it, or how I was able to accomplish it. So a lot of the steps in my video are really similar to his video. You want to start by selecting a channel. You can see here selecting a channel that is not the channel that you're trying to access. So I'll just select this one over here. And then you'll want to open up the WavesTune plugin on the channel that you're trying to manipulate. And you'll just want to click here in the key just so that's the last thing that you clicked on. And then you'll go up here to Logic Pro X in the top left-hand corner, go to Control Surfaces, and you're going to click Learn Assignment for blank. So that's going to open up this window, and it's going to be in Learn mode. Now, what I did is I followed his recommendation of taking the Nano key and setting it to the lowest octave. So you can see that my octave button here is blinking. You just want to push this octave button. So that's what it might look like if you just plugged it in. But you just want to take and tap that octave button so that it's blinking red. And then at that point, you're going to want to push any key on the Nano key. So I'm just going to push the low C. So you're going to see right here that it has seen the NanoKey2 keyboard, and it's put in this string of numbers here. So what we need to do to make this work is we need to change a few things. What we need to do is here in the class, you want to leave this on channel strip, leave this on fader bank, but the number here says 4075. What we need to do is we need to change this number to be the number of the channel in the order that it's in on the mixer from left to right. So I'm messing with channel number 1. I have my vocals first in my organization pattern from left to right in the mixer. So channel number 1 is the one I want. And so you see when I did that, it updated this label to scale root because it knows, okay, I'm talking about something on channel 1. It doesn't automatically detect this for whatever reason when you click on this stuff, but now it knows I'm talking about on channel 1. I'm talking about scale root in the WavesTune plugin. The next thing that we need to do is click Learn mode so that these parameters don't get overwritten. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to delete these two numbers in the space because Michael explains it in his video. Basically, we want Logic to listen to the note that gets played and let that determine what key to set it to. The next setting you want to do is go to the value. We're going to change this to 11, leave this in unsigned. And here's the biggest difference between WavesTune real-time and auto-tune. He set his multiply to like 0.9 or something like that. I had to set my multiply to 1.5. And if that is how I was able to make it work. This setting right here almost caused me to quit my job, to quit my life, to pursue something new, to take a new step into a wild new world in the beyond, because I was not able to figure it out. And so I literally just played with the different settings until I just stumbled upon this, really. And then you want to set this to direct. And once you have done all of these things, then you are done. It should work. Next thing you want to do is go to the next channel, click on the WavesTune real-time thing, repeat all of these things with deleting the numbers, changing these values here, and set this to fader bank 2. And then you'll want to do it again, fader bank 3, fader bank 4. For me, I have 5 vocals, so fader bank 5. And then you're done. I hope this has been helpful. I hope this has been short enough so that it's not agonizing to watch, but also thorough enough so that you understand what needs to be done. Thank you, Michael, for being awesome. Thank you, Logic, for being awesome. Thank you, Luke, for being awesome. Love and appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.